Hey there, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende secrets. And today we're going to be talking about pumpkins. Really big pumpkins, black pumpkins, green pumpkins, everything you need to know about the Mexican pumpkin. The symbol for autumn, pumpkins, started here in Mexico as one of the first wild plants cultivated for more than 7,500 years. Back then, pumpkins were small, hard, and bitter. But their durable exterior was ideal for surviving harsh weather and less bountiful harvests, which made them an integral part of the ancient indigenous diet. Planting pumpkins reduced the need for foraging and helped ancient man push aside a nomadic lifestyle to instead settle in one place. In today's Mexican markets, pumpkins can be traditionally bulbous and orange, round or green striped, or even bumpy and yellow with crooked necks. Any color is delicious. While most parts of the world use the pulp of the pumpkin or the meat, Mexicans have always cooked with the entire pumpkin for thousands of years. The pumpkin is rich in fiber and nutrients like iron and potassium, and is extremely low in calories. Plus, the seeds are 35% protein. Oddly, northern pumpkin favorites like pies and lattes have never really caught on south of the border. Besides food, dry pumpkin is cut into strips and woven to make mats, and hollowed-out pumpkins are used as cups or bowls. The pumpkin in Mexico can be used in just about any dish: tacos, quesadillas, enchiladas, soups. No part of the pumpkin goes to waste, including the flour that grows along with the pumpkin. Pumpkin is also crystallized into a sweet, waxy confection like seen there on the right. Some of the tastiest in town are served in the nearby village of Cieneguita during the St. Michael's Day celebrations. In my not-so-official taste test, the village of Calderon pumpkins offerings come in a close second. Pumpkins are often featured on Day of the Dead altars, since who doesn't want to come back for a sweet treat? Though being from Hershey, I'd prefer a kiss with the pumpkin insides. As always, click on the subscribe now button and you'll get automatic notifications for new videos that come out here on the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende secrets.